Namaste, good morning. Welcome you to Yoga, Health and Happiness. My name is Arun Kumar, and in today's class, we will discuss about the indigestion problem, or if you have the stomach-related problems and all, like if you have constipation or IBS, what we call it as, right? So one thing is one thing is that, see, it's very simple that during the early morning period of time, the body, the physical mechanism is designed in such a way that the body is trying to push out or throw out all the unwanted stuff from the body, right? That is what it does in the early morning period of the time. Now, to add value or support to that, what you do is we just sit in this position. As soon as you get up from the bed, we'll sit in this position. And have like a couple of glass of water with you. Um, in the night itself, you arrange in such a way that it is very much quite reachable for you. Otherwise, going to after you get up from the bed, going to a kitchen or somewhere and getting a glass of water is really a very challenging task, believe me, because I've been doing this, right? So I hope we are all humans, right? So yeah, so that's a challenging task. So see that you are having that in the night itself prepared for you, right, closed, and you drink water slowly. Do take approximately minimum 5 to 10 minutes to drink that couple of glass of water, whichever is convenient to you, or like 1 liter of bottle, something like that, right? Which will help you to push the unwanted stuffs from, helps you in the bowel movement basically, right? This sitting in this position at least. Otherwise, if you are unable to sit in that position, you can sit the way it is comfortable for you. Probably if you can sit in this malasana position, that is much more beneficial. You can sit and then see, you'll see that the movement is happening properly, right? What happens here is, uh, see, if you have such kind of problem like constipation or IBS kind of thing, this majorly happens to the people who get up very late in the morning, like 8 o'clock or like 9 o'clock or approximately, right? For those people, these problems are very much dominant in them, right? So see that you are getting little early, and if you follow these steps for a little period of time, you'll see that the system is getting clearer and clearer. I have experienced this. I have seen, suggested this to many of my students, and they have successfully able to come out from this problem completely. So it's just that because what happens is the bowel movement, which is quite ready in the early morning period of time. The bowel, the bowel has or the your the waste material which inside of us has moisture in it, right? So as the times pass, suppose if your body is ready to throw out at 4 o'clock, 4:30 or 5 a.m. in the morning, so it has a good moisture in it, right? As the times pass by, the moisture in that thing starts get evaporating. So it starts get evaporating and it becomes hard, and it won't come out from the body when you get up in the morning. So like suppose 8 or 9, like it won't come out from the body because it has no moisture in it. So that support is not available for the body to push out, right? So it is stuck in the body, and when that is happening, then if the stomach is not clear, then most of the diseases happens from that region only, right? From the stomach region, if the stomach is not clean. and hence their constipation, and followed by gastric related problem, followed by ulcer. So many other, if the stomach is not clean, then it shows that we will definitely have a headache. So I hope you're getting me, and look forward. Thank you very much for having the class, and I'll see you next class. Thank you. Namaste, health and happiness family. I hope you are in tune with your workout every single day of your life. Please believe that miracle is there only in the simplicity. It's not about being the healthiest or being the strongest person. It's all about finding that balance. How balanced you are in your life, in your normal day-to-day life, with your work, with your family, with your friends, with your society, your health, the most important thing. Our aim is to create a system in you. Our aim is to create a habit in you which will help you to be in tune with your workout, so that you can avoid all the complications, so that we can live as long as possible without much friction in our life, by not consuming unnecessary medicines, by not getting affected by all these chronic ailments, all this BP, sugar, diabetic kind of conditions, and so on, and so many things are there, right? So you can join our classes, which happens from Monday to Friday, online live classes, at your convenient time. You can call us to get more details from us. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.